It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude, with Feel Free to Feel Free. Trying to be brave enough to open up my mind and open up my heart to all areas of my life, my work, my relationships, and especially even to my own self. With every deep inhale, opening my heart, opening my mind, sharing the greatest of my treasures. On the count of three, we take a deep inhale, feeling safe, feeling strong, as we open up just a little. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, shoulders leave, and the fear does too. Deep inhale. Exhale, chest opens. Slowly breathing deeply in through the nose, all the way down the belly. Exhale, letting the body relax, the mind relax, being open with the breath as we gently inhale and exhale, feeling free to feel free. Take one more deep breath, breathe in, slowly releasing whatever is trying to hold you back. And as always, feel free to feel free, and namaste. Peace.